Good morning, everyone. This morning we are going to dip into a kind of judicial subject, a court related subject we are going to discuss today. Title of the subject I have given is Why Judicious Indians Disdain Judiciary. Judicial Indians means why smart, educated, intelligent, prudent Indians disdain, hate judiciary, means the court system. Court system, you sometimes visit the court and you're going to find out over there you are going to find only rough and tough, rogue and rowdy, Shumba and Nishumba, Chanda and Munda type of people in the court presented by the lawyers. Why is that? Why, like America, where millions don't go, billionaires don't go, educated don't go, writers and authors don't go? Because over there, justice is dispensed. Over here, justice is sold. Over there, corruption is 0%. Over here, corruption is more than 100%. Over there, you have to bribe the judge. Over there, you can get your rights. Over here, you have to bribe the judge and the jury and the prosecutioner, all these people, to get justice without being worthy of justice. Here you can commit crime and the lawyers are going to get you bail. You can leave the nation like Malia and Choksi and Modi and Big Bull, Harshad Mehta and Ketan Parekh and all kinds of these people. Rajendra Shah and all that, they loot the nation in the tune of 18 to 25,000 crore rupees, and they were caught, they were arrested, but no any kind of prosecution. They were arrested, they were bailed out. As soon as they were bailed out, their visa and ticket were all ready and they left. Left where India has not signed any kind of extradition treaty. If you commit the crime over here, I mean the most heinous crime you commit in India, and go to Pakistan and you will, government's hand will never ever touch you over there. Or you go to any other country like Saudi Arabia or Dubai, Bahrain, like D company, means Dawood Ibrahim company, these people are living over here in Pakistan and in Dubai. We don't have extradition treaty. Means we cannot force those government to send them back. We have no treaty. So they run away from here, their lawyers arrange every single thing. As soon as they're bailed out, their bags and baggages are all prepared. They will straight go from court to airport, take a flight, and within 4 hours they're out of the nation, finished, done. Judge makes lots of money. Prosecutor means the lawyers make lots of money. And law enforcement means the police commissioners and all that make lots of money. And who is the loser? People. We, the taxpayers, are loser. We, the taxpayer who build the company and who has invested his hard-earned saving in the company, are the losers. So that thing happens in the court. That is why we have lost faith, confidence, and trust in the bank. I have prepared 5 points to elaborate why judicious people disdain judiciary. Point number 1 is our courts have become a kangaroo court. Kangaroo court means a court in name. Courts that play hanky-panky, all kinds of shibboleth and the shenanigans, all kinds of charade. You pay the money and you get the justice. That's it. Even you are worthy of justice or not. Whether you deserve justice or you don't deserve, but you can be acquitted, you can be declared innocent, and you can go. No matter what kind of heinous crime you have committed. It is 100% responsibility and duty and 100% authority of judge to declare you either innocent or guilty. Point number 2, even D company can buy justice. Even we can arrange some way to arrest Dawood Ibrahim, say for example, Dawood Ibrahim goes to America, we have a treaty with America, we can force American government to arrest him, they will arrest and they are going to deport him to India. We are going to present him to the court. Now he has about 4,000 crore rupees of his own. Half is looted from India and half has been looted from Pakistan and Dubai. He can actually bribe the court of Supreme Court, I mean justice of the Supreme Court. And even if we can catch him, he can escape. Because justice is for sale. In India, justice can be bought, justice can be sold. Provided if you must have right amount of money in your hand to throw at the judges and the lawyers and other police officers like people throw bones to dogs. Number 3, big fish escapes. Small are trapped. Albert Einstein has said that justice system is such in which if you are big, like you are famous, you are like Trump, or you are a big Dawood Ibrahim, or you are Choksi, or you are Rajendra Shah, you can escape. Nobody is going to touch you because you are too big. You are influential person, and you are too consequential in your circle. Your circle is going to help you and put lots of pressure on the judges and here and there and everywhere, either by coax, cajole, or coerce, and you can escape. Albert Einstein is saying only small fish, those people who will commit a pittance of the crime, and they have no pittance, no money at all, they can actually get caught and go to jail. Point number 4, judges can make Mario Puzo blush. Mario Puzo was the mafia in Sicily, Italy. He was so big, so heinous criminal that people would just shake by listening his name. Contemporary judges even have become bigger criminal than even Mario Puzo. Even Mario Puzo can blush means say sharam. Mario Puzo can be shameful. That, oh my God, judges are like that? I thought I was the worst. But judges are the worst. These kind of judges have become criminal or travesty of justice. Travesty of justice, they sell justice day in and day out to eat the bone thrown by the people. Number 5, vigilantism. Vigilantism means people taking law in their own hands. People have any kind of problem with other people, they buy illegal guns or legal guns or sword or any kind of weapons and they neutralize that person, means finish off that person, because they know that if you are going to take that person to the court, you are not going to get anything but harassment, all kinds of runaround, all kinds of expenses, humiliation and insult. Nobody is going to listen to you. Once the lawyers are also like that. Once you pay the lawyers are not going to look at your file at all. Not to look at your file at all. I have a personal experience and I had to go to the judge to improve the behavior of my lawyer. I told the judge that I have been coming over here every time that my lawyer tells me that hearing date. I come over here and he never shows up. Because my case was a minute case in which he made only 5,000. He was like dog, like a biggest, worst kind of morbid dog. He was chasing after a bigger case of 50,000, 60,000. Judge was very good, very nice, very polite, very uncorrupt. Immediately he called my lawyer and in front of me he rebuked him. He scolded him, he gave him pep talk. My case was taken right then and there, and within 1 week the case ended in my favor. These are the lawyers, and this master lawyer, that SOB, actually put 2 of his sons in my institute. I taught them, God is my witness, without any fee. Without any kind of fee, I charge him, and he charged me 5,000 rupees for a minute, very minute case, open and shut case. He can actually finish this case within 1 day. But no, it took about 6 months and probably 20 run around. So look, this is what it is. People don't go, people take law in their hand, become vigilantes. Vigilantes are those people who do the justice to themselves. They take weapons, they take sword, they can take bullies, they can take gangsters, and they can take supari takers, contract killers, and get rid of that person without going to jail. Without going to court. That's all the time we have. Thank you very much for listening. See you again next time. Until then, God bless everyone on this planet. Ameen. Summa Ameen.